They walked away. Maybe they ghosted you. Maybe they betrayed you. Or maybe they just thought you'd always be waiting. But what if they were wrong? Welcome to Stoic and Facts, where ancient wisdom meets modern strategy. Today we're diving into 8 psychological and stoic power moves that will make them regret ever losing you. Don't skip this video, because the power you're about to unlock is the kind most people aren't ready to handle. Let's begin. Power move number 1. Disappear to reappear. The most dangerous man is the one who says nothing. When someone disrespects you, withdraw, not out of weakness, but power. Dark psychology teaches absence creates scarcity. Stoicism reminds us, don't waste your time arguing what a good person should be. Be one. Your silence will echo louder than your words ever could. Power move number 2. Build in the dark. They think you're broken. But while they celebrate your fall, you're evolving. In silence, new habits, new mindset, new life. Dark psychology calls this cognitive dissonance. They remember who you were, but your glow-up makes them question everything. Stoicism says, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Let your comeback whisper, not scream. Power move. 3. Emotional detachment. They expect drama, emotion, chaos. Instead, they get calm, indifference. In the world of dark psychology, emotional neutrality equals dominance. And in Stoicism, you have power over your mind, not outside events. React less. Watch more, because the strongest emotion is no emotion at all. Power move number 4. Shift your circle. Nothing hurts more than seeing you thrive without them. You start surrounding yourself with winners, new people, new support. Dark psychology calls this social proof. People chase what others value. Stoicism says, associate with those who will make a better man of you. When your energy is elevated, their access is denied. They'll watch you rise. From the outside. Power move number 5. Calm confidence. Not loud, not arrogant, just quiet certainty. You know your worth now. That's power. Dark psychology calls it status signaling. Calmness that commands respect. Stoicism teaches, waste no more time. Arguing what a good man should be one. You don't need to prove anything. You are the proof. Power move number 6. No contact, no control. They'll test you. A message. Hey. A memory dropped in your inbox. Don't bite. It's bait to see if they still have control. Dark psychology calls it breadcrumbing. Stoicism calls it discipline. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Every time you ignore the bait, you win. Power move number 7. Indifference. Hate is still connection. But indifference, that's freedom. You stop arguing, stop explaining, you detach, and that's what truly haunts them. Stoicism is built on this principle. Control your mind. Let the rest burn. Dark psychology calls it emotional starvation. They crave a reaction. Don't feed the beast. Power move. 8. Thrive. Without closure, you don't need their apology. You don't need a reason. Closure isn't something they give you. It's something you give yourself. Stoicism says, he who angers you conquers you. You choose peace. You move forward, not for revenge, but because peace tastes better than payback. And when they see you thriving, that's when they crawl back. Conclusion. Slow, powerful delivery. You are not here to be liked. You are here to be respected, and respect begins when you stop giving your power away. Apply these 8 moves, not for them, but for you. And when they return, you'll be too far ahead to notice. This is Stoic and Facts, where power meets peace. Like the video, subscribe to the tribe, and comment below. I choose power over pain.